We're back here at the Mahanay Memorial Bell Tower here in Jefferson, Iowa, and this is going to be a retake of the 1966 Otis elevator. It's snowing in Jefferson.
Yes, it is. Oh, excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Otisito. You can see all the way down. And up there you can see the wheels for the guide rails. You can see the wheels that go down. There's your interlock. There's your car top equipment. Here's your buttons. Black button. Certificate, maintained by Schumacher. Capacity 2,000 pounds. This is very old. Let's go back down to ground. The indicator still works.
We had over 1,200 people come up the elevator on Bride Day.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a lot. It was busy.
Surprisingly, it's still working
Yep,
after 52 years.
Yep.
Iowa created a new law saying elevators that are older than 1975 have to be upgraded due to safety concerns. That's what they said, but honestly, I don't see anything wrong with this.
And maybe they do inspections, and if it passes, then...
I mean, it's very reliable. It runs very smooth.
And it doesn't... it only gets used really about 3 months out of the year, so...
One last look, and you can see all the way up. Tell me in the comments, guys, if you think this is either bottom drive or overhead traction, but when I was up on the observation deck, I heard the relays click below me. There it goes, and that is it.